What's been up, guys? I hope everything is going good. I want to talk about Reliance stock here, right? Reliance stock, we can open up an entry in Reliance. I'll let you know why and how. So, we're going to discuss about that uh, in a simple language. So, we have a Reliance results, quarterly results, and gas demand is timid. I mean, gas demand is low. There's no much when it comes to gas demands, but when it comes to 5G networks, Hotstar, Geo Hotstar business, Reliance costs 10 lakh crores net worth, right? So they are beating the expectations of the markets basically. They are beating the expectations of the experts, right? तो उसकी वजह से काफ़ी अच्छा गेन हमें देखने मिल सकता है रिलायंस रिटेल एंड रिलायंस Geo Home, Geo subscribers, and Hotstar subscribers, and everything. They are doing good, but the oil business, the main business, is basically flat as of now, and it may remain flat in coming time, right? So when it comes to chart on a 1 day time frame, so it's most of the time it's I mean mostly it's a technical entry, right? Because the stock is very much down. So since 2021, we have seen that the markets are flat. I mean, flat. All right, resources. All right, dismissed bell. All right, yeah. So since 2021, this market is flat. It was basically 1121 in 2021, and still in 2025 we are getting that at same level, right? So not much of a gain when it comes to Reliance. All these years it went up and it came down again, so it tried to go up but in 2024. So basically this was a good entry point for us. It went up amazingly well, and again it crashed down because of the market conditions and global conditions, right? But this range, if we calculate the returns from 2021, from highest point, or let's say from the lowest point itself, it's not much. I mean, the returns are not that great, right? In basically 4 years, 5 years down the line, right? And the price was at the same level, right? It was at 1146, and now it's at 1300, right? So basically flat markets. So what can happen when it comes to flat markets? When we go to monthly time frame, we can see that the Reliance stock is trying to bounce back from 50 SMA, right? So yeah, this line, right? So the 50 SMA line is actually bouncing back. Let me change the color. Yeah, all right. So if you see the chart, Reliance never goes down below 50 SMA line on monthly time frame since a long time now basically. So it was in 2012 that the stock was flat. So stock was flat from 2077 to 2016, long period of time, right? 6 years, and after that it broke out, and we have seen this kind of rally again in 2020. काफ़ी बड़ा crash आया था. Still the Reliance stock didn't go much down. It bounced back from the same levels, right? It went up, it went up, it went up, it came down, and now the stock is again in that same range, right? Again in that same range. If I draw a range, and we have a catalyst as well now, so let me zoom in, and this is the range I'm talking about, right? So if it breaks this range, it's a very good opportunity for us to enter, or you can enter in these market conditions as well, keeping the stop loss at these levels. So if you keep the stop loss below this support zone, right? See, Reliance is actually a safe investment, but this is we're talking in terms of trade, not in terms of investments. Even if you plan to invest, you can avoid having a stop loss, and you can keep adding in Reliance, right? But this zone, so you can keep a stop loss here, 1102, 200 पॉइंट्स का बेसिकली स्टॉप लॉस रखो, एंड टारगेट शुड बी अराउंड 300 पॉइंट्स, राइट? या फिर इसके ऊपर इट मे मेक अ न्यू हाई इफ द मार्केट सपोर्ट्स, राइट? मार्केट में एक रैली आ जाएगी तो रिलायंस काफ़ी सेफ स्टॉक है, अच्छा स्टॉक है. इट मे टेक टाइम, बट इस स्टॉक की वजह से एक्चुअली निफ्टी 50 में भी एक मूवमेंट आ सकता है, विच इज़ गुड फॉर अस, राइट? सो इट कैन मेक अ न्यू हाई फ्रॉम हियर. इट विल टेक सम टाइम बिकॉज इट्स ऑन अ मंथली टाइम फ्रेम. सो इफ़ यू थिंक दैट आपका इन्वेस्टमेंट्स और रिटर्न्स बहुत जल्दी देखने आपको मिल जाएंगे, सो नथिंग लाइक दैट. इट्स अ स्लो मूवमेंट स्टॉक्स. 2022 2021 से देखो ये मूवमेंट है, तो एक कैंडल एक महीने की है, राइट? दिस इज़ अ 1 मंथ टाइम फ्रेम. सो जो स्टॉप लॉस भी है वो बहुत दूर लगाया हुआ है एज़ कम्पेयर टू मंथली टाइम फ्रेम. अगर आप इसको वीकली में कन्वर्ट कर लोगे दिस एंट्री को, तो बिलो दिस शुड बी आर स्टॉप लॉस 1135. इतना तो स्टॉप लॉस अब रखो, बिकॉज स्टॉक इज बाउंसिंग बैक फ्रॉम दैट जोन इटसेल्फ. सी इफ यू सी स्टॉक इज बाउंसिंग बैक फ्रॉम दिस जोन, सो दिस कैन बी अ गुड एंट्री, राइट? ये एक अच्छा एंट्री हमारे लिए बन सकता है. एंड देखो जो स्टॉक्स बहुत टाइम से फ्लैट रहे हैं, लेट्स से बजाज फाइनेंस, राइट. सो इफ वी कम टू बजाज फाइनेंस ऑन अ 1 मंथ टाइम फ्रेम, हमें एक इसमें काफ़ी अच्छी एंट्री मिली थी. इट्स एट ऑल टाइम हाई, नियर ऑल टाइम हाई नाउ. अगेन bouncing back from that zone, bouncing back from this zone. See, stock was flat since all these years, and suddenly now there's a bounce back in stock, and we have seen some gains in it, right? तो similar case हो सकता है Reliance में. We have stop loss. I mean, if you're worried much about the losses and everything, we have stop loss in place for the stock below this wick, right? इसको stop loss रख लो and you can make an entry here, wait for these targets to achieve if there's a bounce back. But again, it will be a slow move. Don't expect a fast move within a week or something like that. It will be a slow move, and with time it may touch these levels. So keep investing. This is the theory, this is the investment strategy we can follow, because the stock never went down from the zone. So basically इसको हम एक average valuations पे consider कर सकते हैं when it comes to technicals, right? So that is it about this video, and yeah, if you have any doubts you can always DM me and we can talk about it. Thank you.